Hey guys, welcome back to the series where I explain everything I'm doing to see how many sales I can make in 1 month, the month of July, and maybe a couple of days extra. I'm not really that bothered about it being exactly a month, whatever. If it's 35 days, I'm not going to cry about it. So today's video, I'm going to talk about the social media game plan. This is updated for 2022, and obviously I'm just going to say 2023 because I'm an SEO and that's what we do every single time. I used to have a very different view of how to do social media, like manually uploading, etc., etc. But now I'm going to introduce you to something that I call the Redbubble or print-on-demand social media game plan. It doesn't have to be Redbubble. It can be any print-on-demand website. It can be your own Shopify website, whatever it might be. I'm going to introduce you to two tools today. Okay. First of all, I'm going to show you the results of using one of these tools. Okay, so this is my quotes from Italia account. Let me just open my Redbubble as well. It should be here somewhere. And I grew this purely through using this bot here. All I was doing was I was following people who were already fans of certain pages, okay? So I found pages that were similar to mine, and then I basically just followed people who commented or liked their pictures. Okay, so I'm trying to find my own design using SEO here, basically. I'm gonna go on my store. There it is. Okay, perfect. I managed to find it. Didn't take that long, so that's normally a good sign. So I grew this store. This is my social media store. I should just carry on with this store, but I'm making an entire new store just because a lot of these keywords have now been taken by other people. This store has 21 designs. It has 3 sales. One of them was a really, really nice sale as well. And yeah, basically just to kind of show you how it works, it says that you've got a trial, but I've got another 72 hours because all I did was remove it from Chrome like this, and then just type in grow bot extension on Google, click the first one, press add to Chrome or remove from Chrome depending on whether you're resetting it, and then just find someone that's in your niche. Okay, like I've been looking at this page here, hardcore Italians, and yeah, I can basically click on this, for example, let's say, and then click here, or I don't even have to do this, I can just do this, and then I can do load hardcore Italians commenters, and I can do process queue and like 10 posts from feed, and then process queue. This will now start following people, and I'm going to be doing this on my new store. I'm just showing you how to do it basically. Okay, so this is part 1 of the game plan, and the goal is to get about 500 to 1,000 followers. Okay, followers. And they will be organic followers. They'll be real followers, okay? Because you follow them, you like their post, they go on your page, they like what they see because they're in the same niche and they've already shown that they like something from this niche because they've liked other people's Instagrams in this niche. Once you've got 1,000 followers, then the second stage of this comes into play, which is where we try to really, really boost the Instagram to 10K. I've just made that number up now, 10K followers, okay? And the way that I would recommend doing that is using Buffer, okay? So the reason I'm gonna recommend Buffer is because you can post to Twitter, you can post to Instagram, you can post to Facebook, you can post to Pinterest, whatever you wanna do, okay? Also TikTok, LinkedIn. So if you get all the social medias together and you wanna use Buffer, you get 2 weeks completely for free. If you guys want a full video on how to use Buffer, let me know. The reason I'm not doing that now is because if I log in and show you how to use it, you will see my store, my Redbubble store, and this entire series will be completely ruined, okay? I've already got started. I'm doing Facebook and Instagram. The reason I recommend that you wait, and I haven't done this, the reason I recommend you wait for 2 weeks is you get a 2-week trial for Buffer, okay? And the 2-week trial, I don't think you need a payment method. You don't need a payment method at all. So you can just sign up. You've instantly got Buffer. But if you wait until you have 1,000 followers and then you use Buffer and you really post like 4 or 5 things consistently a day for 2 weeks, okay, on all platforms, using Buffer. You can also use Facebook Business Manager, but I think Buffer is a little bit better. If you mix it with memes, okay, about your niche, some facts about your niche, interesting videos, you can take them from TikTok. I'm pretty sure that's allowed. Just give credit and make sure you don't say that the videos are yours. Don't try and make them seem like original content when they're not. And also your products, obviously, as well. You don't want to only post memes and things. You obviously want to post your products as well. This is really easy with Buffer, okay? And then by the end of this, we'll see how many sales I've made through social media. But also, this is a known fact in SEO. Social media gives data to Google, which helps them rank your content using organic SEO, okay? So if one of your pages is getting loads of sales and really high amount of time on page and whatever it might be, then that's a sign for Google to say, oh, maybe we should, boost this page up a little bit. Okay, so I've actually done this already, like I said, and it worked really well. I'm really happy with the results. If I look at these are all organic, but let's say I posted them with Buffer and I posted them much more frequently instead of doing Facebook Business Manager, which I did for these 6 here, okay? They've got really good engagement. It's not showing me the engagement. If I just click on one of these, it's not showing me the engagement for some reason, but this is all purely organic engagement now, okay? The people are actually posting, haha. Like, I'm not used to growing Instagrams, but this is a really quick way, in my opinion, to grow an Instagram. The memes are good, the videos are good, the reels are good, everything added together works magnificently. You put your product here, the link to your store, and then by doing all of this, we're giving our store the highest chance of being indexed on Google. Okay, so let's see if my actual shop is indexed. It is. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. No, that's not my store. No, it doesn't look like my store is actually indexed. No, it's not, which is kind of annoying. But I do have 65 products on Google. So if you do site redbubble.com, I've talked about this so many times, in URL and then your Redbubble name, you can see your indexed pages on Google. All my products get indexed because I did this process, okay? I really recommend going through this process. I'm talking about this again because I didn't know about Buffer before. If you set up every social media, it takes about 3 hours, 4 hours. Once you've done it, save all your pictures, save all your designs, get mock-ups, put them on here, get some memes, get some videos, post them on social media, get some videos from TikTok in your niche, put them on Instagram, make sure you give the people credit, make sure you don't claim it's original content. Do that through Buffer with a 2-week free trial and see how many followers you have at the end, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. I'm really enjoying making these videos. It's much better than, for me anyway, because I'm not ruining my niche every single time, which would drive me insane. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you really soon with some more content, and peace out.